For many, the convenience of swiping a credit card to pay for something is often too tempting. But for a financial expert, paying with cash is always better than paying using plastic. Naomi Tiburcio tells us why.
Traffic northbound, traffic southbound. This is the scenario all around the metro a few days till Christmas. And all these traffic jams lead to none other than the bustling malls. On the contrary, 31-year-old Joanna is into online shopping. She never misses every double-digit online sales like the recent 12/12 sale.
May time na talagang, okay, mura to. So talagang i-click ko siya tapos na-check out ko siya talaga. So pagdating ng bill ng credit card ko, mahal na pala. Dumami na pala talaga yung ano ko. So magkakautang ka.
48-year-old working mom Bien says she plans to cut on online shopping in order to save up for house renovation, but admits having a hard time cutting the add to carts.
Wala pa nagtigil ang doorbell pag on a daily basis, parang meron. Pero hindi nakasagsagan before na parang sa isang delivery, parang friend mo na nga yung mga nagde-deliver eh.
Financial expert Chinky Tan advises the public not to let emotions rush in and buying gifts last minute.
Lalo na kung nagmamadali po kayo at ang dami nyo pang dapat bigyan. So kung ano makita nyo, dadamputin nyo na lang. So always remember, money is not a number decision, but it's more of an emotional decision.
He says before shopping, make sure to have a shopping list with an appropriate budget. He adds not to spend the money you don't have. When shopping, cash is always better than debit or credit cards to avoid overspending.
You do not ask your income to adjust to your lifestyle. You ask your lifestyle to adjust down to your income. Ang issue, hindi kung anong gusto mong bilhin ngayong Pasko na ito. Anong kaya mong bilhin?
He also advised the public to be wary of scams in the holiday season, as scam artists are in a rush to sell gift checks which are either invalid or expired. That's why always make sure to get gift checks from legitimate sources. Naomi Tiburcio for The Nation.